Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Kekunhun Menteri Jangka Sarkar Meghalaya haka laipau tarik Jylla Arja Arvunrio kalaman Jorban Pentri Kamya ka Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin VB Gram G Act kabalong ka program bathamai ban shimbu Jylla haka jaka jangka MGNREGS ban penhe yaki kampen roy haki than nong kendong. Kini ke program thamai ke jingai kambal Klur ban sio nakasispa Sngi sakasispa arpusan Sngi hakasisnam kebala ai la chu ya kilong yeng hakisnong nong kendong ban yo jingerap lingba ke jingyo kam hapo ka ak om tangkata ke VB gram G ke penyaru ya ki jat kam ki bala ban pentrai kom ke jingshna surok snong ki aganwadi center ki yeng school ki project yarap kamai kaji ki project yada ya kamar yang bat kiwe pan. Haba pentip ya kania ukon rat kia sangma Menteri Rangba ke Jylla uloong. Na ke Bynta ki Khyndai Bnai banwan ke Meghalaya kala yo ya ke mang pisa ke bakot sya ke 1000 sispa Klur tingka hapo ke nika program thamai. Uloong ba ke sarkar ke ngej ba ke ni ke sen jam kan long ke bakongsan ban pen klanya ke kamai kaji ban kentiu ya ki jingtai jingshna haki snong nong kendong bat banwan ra su ya ki la ding yokam bat jingerap ya ki pajpa ke Meghalaya.
The Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin Act 2005. As you're aware that this is a new act in place of the MGNREG Act, and this has been enhanced now, and provisions like from minimum working days of 100 to increasing them to 125 days. This has been taken up in the new act, and other aspects of increasing the overall scope of work, where earlier projects like roads and connectivity were not given priority. They are now given priority. Earlier Anganwadi centers, they were not allowed to be built under the MGNREGS scheme, but under this new Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin, you are allowed to build Anganwadi centers also. Similarly, schools were not allowed to be built in the earlier MGNREGS, but in the new guidelines, they have increased the number of projects. So now school buildings are allowed, different programs for livelihood, which were not allowed in the beginning. Today, specific livelihood programs can also be taken up, different programs related to environment, water conservation, forest conservation. All of these programs can now be taken up. So there were earlier about 240 or 250 items you could take up. Now those items have gone up to 300 plus, almost 320 items have been included in the new act. And hence this had to be adopted and passed by the cabinet, which we have done today. Apart from that, the government of India has sanctioned 1,100 crores as the normative allotment for Meghalaya for the next 9 months, because the implementation of this project will start tomorrow of this new act. So from 1st of July till 31st of March, this will be implemented by Meghalaya. For the first quarter, from April, May to June, the old MGNREGS scheme was being implemented with the old guidelines and the old act. But from tomorrow, the new guidelines and the new act will be applicable. And for this period of 9 months, from July to March 31st, the normative allotment given to Meghalaya is 1,100 crores.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat la ne ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.